We pick up a nozzle, and the 4 wires matched. Pick up the data cable at the bottom left, and insert it into the lower left of the nozzle. Then pick up the upper left, and insert it into the upper left like this. Pick up the bottom right now. Corresponding insert nozzle lower right. Pick up the data cable on the upper right. Insert nozzle upper right. The installation of the nozzle has been completed. Now align the nozzle with the hole. Then tighten the corresponding 3 screws. Tighten this one. Let's take down the small adapter board on the small board. Plug in the data cable of the nozzle, top left, upper left, and lower left. Now we insert the upper left. Now it's lower left. Top right. Plug it in now. Finally, insert the lower right. After inserting the cable, and then we put it back in place. This completes the installation of the nozzle.